welcome back to my video. Right now I'm like super excited. First of all, y'all, get into this twist out that just turned into whatever it wanted to turn into. I love it, and it's really cute. It's a little frizzy because y'all know how the humidity is in Georgia, but we ain't gonna talk about that. It's going to a football tonight, well, tomorrow. But anyway, so I was in Walmart, and I just want to say, like, first off, I have not seen The Little Mermaid, but I'm already obsessed, and I ain't seen not one scene, okay? But some said my spirit spoke to me, and some said go to the clearance aisle. So I moseyed on back there to the clearance aisle, and I found something pertaining to The Little Mermaid, but it's pertaining to natural hair. Oh my goodness. And it's by like one of my favorite, well, one of the hair care lines that I like, because I don't necessarily have a favorite, but I just like a lot of stuff, okay? And so what I found involves The Little Mermaid, and the other one is a treat. So basically I was back there and I seen the little yellow sticker. The little yellow sticker said it was $11.97, now it's $8. Yeah, that's about a good maybe 10% discount. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyway, it's discounted, and that's what I want. But I haven't seen these little kits anywhere, so let's get to it. So what I watered upon was this right here. Boom, y'all, look at this. Like, what is y'all doing? Trying to break my pockets. That's what it looked like. So yes, this is Kara's daughter's, like, a hair kit, and it's the Little Mermaid theme. And I seen that it got the Goddess Strength. I think that's the line that's in here, is Goddess Strength. And I've been wanting to try that for a long time. What's in here is leave-in. And I also looked too, and they got like the Black Vanilla leave-in by Kara's daughters. So I'm assuming this is just something Kara's daughters did. You did it, girl. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all again. But I wanted y'all to be a part of this unboxing, so let's unbox it, okay? Let me see. Yeah. I'm saying because it said let your curls sing, honey. Baby, they finna hit a high note in a second. I'm so excited. Oh, wait a second, honey. Oh. So, you gonna break by the nail trying to get in the package, because this thing is sealed. Ain't no moisture leaving out of this package. So I know ain't no moisture gonna leave out of this hair, okay? But anyway, let's open this thing up. Oh. I had to do like an inner outside screen because I got a little too excited. But yeah, I forgot to tell y'all, it come with a free, yes, Lord, it come with a free detangling brush and detangling comb. You can't, and it's wide too. You spoke to my tresses just then, honey. But yeah, and then it's my favorite color, which is blue. So you get the detangling comb and a detangling brush that come with it. And they don't autograph it. Not autograph. I'm country, y'all forgive me, but they don't autograph this stuff. At the end, baby, they put their stamp on it, okay? At the end, it says Kara's daughter. Kara's daughter be showing out, honey. And the comb says Little Mermaid, honey. So now that we got that out of the way, it's so cute. It is so cute, y'all. And I kept saying I want to detangle and brush, and boom, here we go. And then, yes, the Divine Goddess Strength leave-in conditioner, honey. So this was supposed to make your curls sing. And then these are the harmonizers, I'm assuming. But yeah. So basically, let's read what's in this. It says 94% less breakage. 94% less breakage, I meant. For weak, breakage-prone hair. With castor oil, ginger, black cumin seed. Baby, you can't, yes. Do it, Carol now. okay. And it was made with love. So I know I'm finna be, baby, you probably can take this thing and go swim in the water. Under the sea. Go swim in the water. Do a lot of stuff for your hair. Still look good. Still moisturize, honey. I bet y'all like, where's this personality coming from? This is me, honey. I just have to be a bit more professional on my hair videos. That's just how I like to do it. This is me. But yes, that's all that came in this package. I can't say that's all because it was packed with goodness and greatness. But yeah, so again, you get the detangling comb, the detangling brush, and you get this right here. Baby, you can't beat that, honey. But don't mind me while I smile for a thumbnail. Nah, I'll do that later. Don't worry about it. I ain't gonna do it in the video because I'm gonna be looking real crazy. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So basically it says, well, I'm gonna read y'all the directions. Basically it says, after using Goddess Strength shampoo, conditioner, hair, and scalp oil, I don't have that. I need to get it so I can try everything together. And then it says apply to wet or damp hair and work evenly from roots to tips. So it works well for you mermaids out there. You're gonna apply it to wet hair, baby. You know y'all hair be wet, so you good. And okay. So it just says apply more as needed and don't rinse it out. Don't take it out. You want to be singing like my girl Hallie. Don't rinse it out, baby. She got you, okay? And Miss Carol, like how y'all tag teamed it. But yeah, pretty much that is it for this video. So go to your local Walmart and maybe you will find this on sale. If not, maybe you will find this kit. But I cannot wait to try these products together. I'm gonna go ahead and try to leave in on its own and give y'all a review. But I can't wait to try that whole line together. So, you know, I can give y'all my real results, baby. I might sprout a tail out here. Who knows? But, yeah. I'm gonna put that back in there. And thank y'all for tuning in. And I hope y'all have a great day. And seriously, I love y'all. And if y'all want to see a bit more of this, what I'm showing y'all my personality, I think I'm going to start vlogging more because I have a lot to offer. And I got a birthday coming up, so y'all can come along with me. But anyways, thank y'all for tuning in. I love y'all.